Coming in play pero si Fabi ang naduguan, just waiting now for the blue plate, recovering and also trying to go for another timing. However, Four Kings, a little bit of that push coming from their way. Smoke Bomba comes into the play. Pero tamang abang lang muna sila dito pero si Luris naman madadali ni Holy Father with a good aim. See it on that side. Holy Father, another one. That's gonna be 2 kills for Holy Father. Shiro and Luris will be taken out sa kamay ni Holy Father. Now that's gonna be the zone coming in. They're trying to push towards one another. Stint naman dito, mapapatumba naman ni Stint. Pero bumalag naman si Holy Father. Exchanging, retaliating the kill. Pabs in Hill. Both of them taking out sa kamay naman ni Zero. Hindi Remy. This is gonna be it. The final moment of our round number 3. And we have a winner. No more than that. 4 Kings.
Woo! Let's go! Grabe yung 4 games overload.